Hey, welcome back to Aboxy Global Radio. My name's R. Alfax Nibuto. If you're new to this channel, this is Aboxy Global Radio. By the way, I don't come on the show very much, but today we're going to talk about school. How's school? I mean, I go to in-person school. There's many people that go online school. How's school for you? Tell me down there in the comment sections. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share all our social media platforms, Aboxy Global Radio, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also many other platforms. This is Aboxy Global Radio. Now, school, in person, online, how are you doing it? I'm doing it in person, and I can tell you for a fact that it's very different from the way it used to be. There were many people that the people that we used to see on a daily basis, our friends, our people that would call our family members, they're not in school right now. Now online, it's very different because whenever you're online, your teacher doesn't give you as much attention as the person that's in school. Sports wise, there are many people that do online but come to do their sports. Does it help them taking off their mask while they're playing the sport? Talk to me. Aboxy Global Radio. My name is R. Alfax Nibuto. Stay tuned.